In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload photos to TripAdvisor, ensuring your travel stories are as vivid and memorable as your experiences. This process is straightforward, but a few insights can make it seamless and efficient for you. Let's dive in, shall we? First things first, log in to your TripAdvisor account. If you haven't set one up yet, it's a quick process requiring just an email and a secure password. Most of us already have an account, so just head over to TripAdvisor's website or open the app on your device. Once you've logged in, you're ready to start sharing the stunning visuals from your travels with the world. Now that you're in, look for a camera icon or an Add Photo button. This feature is typically designed to be easy to find, often placed prominently on the home page or within the My Contributions section. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. Just take a moment to browse around. It's there waiting for you. Once you've pinpointed the right button, click on it and begin the process of uploading your photos. TripAdvisor may prompt you to select files from your computer or phone library. This gives you the opportunity to choose those spectacular images from your trip. All the sunsets, meals, landmarks, and smiling faces that encapsulate your journey. During this step, it's important to ensure your photos are of high quality, which enhances the viewing experience for all who explore them. After selecting the photos, you'll need to tag or name the location. This step is crucial as it helps TripAdvisor associate your images with the correct places. If you snapped a picturesque view in Paris, you'll want to label it accordingly so fellow travelers can appreciate it and seek out that view themselves. Take a moment to double-check your tags for accuracy, since it enhances the usefulness of your contributions to the TripAdvisor community. Upon uploading, these photos will first make an appearance in your activity feed. This feed serves as a personal timeline of your contributions to the site. Keep in mind that there might be a slight delay before they're linked to your reviews. TripAdvisor's system needs a bit of time to associate your photos with the right location pages and reviews. Patience is key here, as this process ensures the broader user base can benefit from your shared insights as they plan their next adventures. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're not just sharing photos, you're enriching the travel experience for countless others. Each image adds life to reviews and provides indispensable context for fellow travelers. So, whether you're showing off a hidden gem of a local restaurant or capturing the breathtaking scenery at a national park, your contributions make a difference. Thanks for tuning in, and happy traveling.